Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food from around the world. Oh, and hauls. I like to do hauls. Quick disclaimer, I have a giveaway going on. I will link that down below. And I also have, during my Ipsy versus Ipsy, I also announced a future giveaway, so I will link that down below. And just a quick reminder, next month is my birthday month, so I will not be able to upload as often. I will still have the same amount of uploads. I just won't be able, I might have to do like multiple in a day or whatnot. So with that being said, we have Lavish Bath Box. Now, if I have a link for this, I will put it down below. I absolutely loved this box last month. I feel like it's reasonably priced. I'll put that on the screen because I don't remember what that is either, but I feel like it's reasonably priced. If I'm comparing it to Bath Bevy and Bubbles and Books, I mean, this is definitely my favorite bath box, and I will be keeping this for the long haul. So let me open it. So I open it up, and it looks like this. Lavish Bath Box for April 2019. And on the back, it has all of the goodies, but it does not break down the price. So we will just go ahead and get into it. Oh, and I open it up, and this is what I see, and that just looks delicious. I am loving that setup. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out here is, ooh, a mask. Dirt Bag All Natural Face Mask, Berry Balm. Nourish, Hydrate, and Rejuvenate. And then you empty the contents into a bowl and add a few splashes of water, and then you spread it all over your pie hole. Well, all around your pie hole. And let's see. Does it give any extra details here? Berry Balm Organic Enzyme Mask is loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and rich in alpha hydroxy acids for pure skin nutrition. Nice. And did I already say if I have a code, I'll put it down below for you? Okay, excellent. All right, the next thing we have here is, so the next thing I am pulling out here is the Strawberry Field Bath Bomb. And it looks like that. And it smells so good. It smells just like strawberries. I love it. That's great. Okay, and then reaching in here, the next thing is the Kiwi Cutie Bubble Bar. And that looks like that. And it is by yours truly. And that smells really good too. I love this bath box, you guys. All right, the next thing I am going to, ooh. Peach Perfect Lip Scrub. Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. It smells exactly like peach. Although I do kind of wish it had a safety seal on it because I do have other lip scrubs that are open right now, so I hope that this does not go to waste. But it's cruelty-free and vegan, so that is awesome. The next thing I am pulling out here is the Watermelon Body Buff Scrub. Ooh, that looks pretty. And that looks like this. And let's see. Ooh. Oh my God. That smells like watermelon ice cream. Or like, no, that smells like Airhead. That smells like watermelon Airhead. Oh my goodness. That is it's a body buff. Wow. That smells so freaking good. And it's shea butter and sugar scrub. I wonder if I could eat this. I mean, it's a sugar scrub. Maybe I'll try it on my face. We'll see how that works out. And it looks like the last thing that I might be pulling out here is an avocado bath bomb. And it looks like this. And that's what the back looks like. And I can't really smell that through the packaging. I mean, it's cute. And it has a little glitter. I don't know if you can see the glitter specks. But I can't really smell that through the packaging. So let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is it. So that is it for my Lavish Bath Box. And I hope you enjoyed this boxing. Have a great day. Bye.